That sharp tang in sourdough is not a flavoring. It is a tiny ecosystem doing controlled demolition on flour. A starter begins as flour and water. But within days, wild yeasts and lactic acid bacteria take over. The yeasts eat starches broken down into sugars and release carbon dioxide, which lifts the dough. The bacteria work beside them, producing lactic acid for a yogurt-like softness and acetic acid for a sharper vinegar note. Change the conditions, and the bread changes. A warmer, wetter starter usually tastes milder. A cooler, stiffer starter encourages more acidity. That is why two bakeries can use the same flour and still make loaves with completely different personalities. The long fermentation also breaks down some proteins and starches before baking, which is why sourdough can feel more complex than fast bread made with commercial yeast alone. The crust adds the final transformation. Heat triggers browning reactions that create roasted, nutty, almost caramel flavors. So the sour taste is not one ingredient. It is time, temperature, microbes, flour, and fire, all stacked together. The loaf is basically a slow-motion science experiment you can butter.